Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something exciting news for those of you looking to kickstart or further your career in the world of cybersecurity. So, let's dive right into the video. JIO, one of India's leading telecom giants, is on the lookout for talented vulnerability assessment engineers, in short, VAPT. But unfortunately, this job isn't for freshers. So, what do you need to qualify for this fantastic opportunity? Well, you should have a BE or BTech or MCA degree and hands on experience of about 2 to 8 years in infrastructure vulnerability management. If you are comfortable navigating both Linux and Windows operating systems, then that's a big plus. And you will be working in the heart of the action, New Delhi. If you are ready to embark on a thrilling journey in the world of cybersecurity, then send your CVs to the email address shown on your screen, or you can get the email address down in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, apply, get selected, and have a great future.